Here we are once again in the big old barn, just wandering around. I'm gonna record the video first this time, so I'm not all sweaty and bleeding when I realize I haven't recorded any video yet. We have 100 subscribers now. Isn't that awesome? I mean, 90% of them are Jing's friends, but you know, they're 100, so our 100 subscriber special. Some people do something that's, you know, special, but I'm just gonna beg you for stuff. Right now, here it comes. But you know, everybody does that on YouTube. First of all, and this is the obvious one, we need people to subscribe to the channel, watch the videos, click the like button, watch the whole video if you're feeling particularly sympathetic to our cause. We want to raise awareness. We want to rehab this barn. We can't do this for nothing. We're doing this because we have a business idea. I've seen this place forever and I have some vision for what it could be, and we chose a business that doesn't go well with, you know, a virus pandemic. So there's not going to be any bookings for our barn wedding venue in 2020. We've pretty much decided, but we're open for business for 2021 and 2022. So the second thing we need, if you're getting married, or if you know anybody who might be getting married, tell them about our wonderful barn here. It's pretty cool. It's historically relevant, unlike those slap up your own little Cabela's style barn kits that people use to make wedding venues and piss their neighbors off. We don't have any neighbors, so we didn't piss anybody off. All around is beneficial, I think. I would like to think so, at least. I would like to think people are glad that we're trying to save this building and that we're trying to do it in a way that it still looks original inside. Number 3 thing we need help from you is, if anyone either is or knows a plumber or an electrician who might be willing to help us out here. These are like the last 2 things. I haven't been able to find one. I've got an AC guy, I've got a roofer, I got someone to put the siding on, I've got an excavator, all of whom are awesome. Right now, I need a plumber and an electrician. I will do any manual labor necessary. I will jackhammer the floor for you. You just need to do the part where you come in and lay the pipes, and the electrician, everything's wide open here. We're not like hiding electricity in the walls. We're gonna hide it later with some old barn wood. You just need to slap it on the wall. So we need somebody who's kind of willing to work with us. If anybody knows those 2 things, either give us a call or post on the channel. All right, I'm gonna go play with the bobcat some. Peace.